Love is true, love is kind. Love it waits when you're out of time. It won't fail.
Welcome to our blissful no hands yoga practice. Today is going to be a quick, energizing, and stress-releasing yoga class that will focus on movement and postures that do not require any weight bearing on your hands or wrists. Whether you're recovering from an injury or looking for a creative yoga practice to strengthen your sense of balance and coordination, this is a great all-levels practice that will get you feeling connected and ready to take on the day. So if you're ready to get started, grab your mat and let's begin.
Something now and then.
Alright friends, let's get started today seated at the back of your mat with your knees and your feet together. Go ahead and simply allow your arms to rest next to the side of your body. Closing your eyes and just taking this moment to reconnect with ourselves, with our breath. Inhale, reaching the arms back, and exhale, allowing yourself to come all the way down into child's pose. Your arms next to the side of your body. Giving yourself permission to just stay here for a moment, feeling this gentle release in your back, taking this opportunity right now to set an intention for your practice, to give ourselves this moment, this time to connect deeper with that energy within us. Let's slowly come on up to your knees, reaching both arms up to the sky and then stepping your left foot forward. Hands come into prayer in front of your chest. Holding this low lunge position, making sure the front knee is on top of your ankle, really opening through the upper body. Let's take an inhale and extend both of your arms out to the side like you're pressing away from you, and then slowly turn the palms in and bring the arms forward. Hands to your heart. And again, pressing away from your body, flexing those wrists, bring it forward and to the heart. Continuing to stay in that low lunge. Good. Stay here. Deep breath in. Exhale. Now both hands simply coming over to the knee. And go ahead and just open up your chest, allowing your hips to slowly begin to sink closer towards the ground, stretching out your hip flexor, your psoas. Good. Another deep breath in. On your exhalation, let's go ahead and tuck your back toes under and lift the back knee off the mat, transitioning into a crescent lunge, interlacing the fingers behind your back. Extend the back elbows and open the chest, and then bring the chest down towards the knee. Come back up, open the chest, so nice gentle movement. Exhale, chest to the knee. As you come down with your body, arms come up. And one more time. Open up through the heart. Open yourself up. Exhale, chest towards the front knee. Let's just take 2 breaths here as we hold this posture, finding that center in breath, feeling that stretch in the shoulders. Beautiful. Now slowly lift the body back up, holding that high lunge. Deep breath in. Exhale. Now you're going to transfer all of your weight towards that front foot and bring the back knee towards your chest. So deep breath in and exhale, transfer forward, bring that right knee up and just circle out that right ankle. Stay with that balance. Core is strong and engaged. And then step that right foot to the middle of your mat, extending the back knee, both heels are grounded. Then exhale, just simply grab the opposite elbows behind your back, open up the chest. Let's come down about halfway first into our pyramid. Now if you have tight hamstrings, this might be where you want to stop and just continue to breathe, keeping the hips as square as possible so you're really feeling that deep release through that left hamstring. However, if you'd like to go even deeper, you can begin to release the chest all the way down. So chest coming over top of that left thigh, forehead down towards your shin. Try to stay in that balance. Keep pulling the left hip back, so whatever leg is forward, that's the hip you want to think of pulling back, and the other hip you want to push it forward. So that visualization of the pull and the push of the hips allows you to really maintain that square position in the hips and the shoulders. Just breathing here with each exhalation, allowing yourself to let go deeper and deeper into this posture. Good. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, slowly lift your chest up now. Come on up, bending the front knee, arms reach back up into our Warrior One, Virabhadrasana 1. Hold it here. Just allow yourself to go a little deeper and then bring that right knee back up towards your chest, this time grabbing your knee with both hands. Feel free to roll out that ankle again if you need to. And then see here if you can just pass that knee to your right hand and open the knee to the side. Continuing to keep both of your hips facing the front of your mat. Your core is strong. And then from here, we're going to take our tree. So grab that right ankle and place the foot along the inside of your left inner thigh. Then once you found your balance, extending both arms up to the sky, hold and find that grounding, center, and balance. Now you always want to make sure that the foot comes either above or below the knee, meaning if you're unable to place that heel up that high along your inner thigh, then you can come all the way down and just place it along your shin. Just make sure you're not pressing into the knee itself. Good. Bring your hands back to your heart. Keep holding that balance, focusing on a place in front of you. And then bring that knee in and place it back down. Beautiful. Now let's reach both arms up to the sky. And exhale, diving all the way down into our standing forward fold. Inhale, slide your hands along the shins halfway. Exhale, placing the hands behind your knees or your ankles and come on down into our standing forward fold, holding this time. Breathing deeply. With each exhalation, you're trying to get that chest to come over top of your thighs. If you're feeling restriction in the hamstrings, you're going to keep your knees slightly bent and make sure you're folding from your hips. We do not want to fold from our lower back. Beautiful. So just breathe. Again, this is an opportunity for us to reconnect with the breath, reconnect with that energy within us, that presence. If you begin to feel your mind starting to go elsewhere, allow the breath to bring you back to this moment right now. Let's slowly release. Come back up to standing, reaching both arms up to the sky. And exhale, bring your hands back down. Forward fold. Inhale, just come up halfway. Exhale, bend your knees and then step one knee down and then the other knee down. Open up the chest and then release into that child's pose. Good. Resting the arms next to the side of your body just like we started. Forehead down, your upper body's relaxed. Taking again that opportunity to take that big breath in and exhaling, letting all that tension melt out of your body. Inhale, slowly come up to your knees, open up that heart up to the sky. Exhale, this time step your right foot to the front of your mat, low lunge. If you already did your right foot, make sure you're doing your left. So we want to do the other side. Inhale and exhale, hands come to heart, finding that center. Inhale again, this time we're going to press your hands away from the body, flexing the wrist. Exhale, bring the arms forward, hands to heart. And again, inhale, open, press away. Exhale, reach, and hands to heart. Beautiful. Just find that moment and extend and push, reach, and bring it to heart. Great. Just finding that low lunge. Feel free to release your hands to your front knee if need be, allowing that psoas, that left hip flexor, to release as you come down closer to the floor with your hips. Take that deep inhalation through the nose. Exhale, let all the tension, heaviness go out of your body. Inhale again. Exhale, let it go. From here, make sure you're finding that center with your upper body. Take the arms down, tuck your back toes, and then lift your back knee off the mat, transitioning into our high lunge. Interlace your fingers behind your back, extending the elbows, open up that chest. Deep breath in. Exhale, chest comes down towards that front knee, arms up. Inhale again, follow your breath. Open, so we're connecting movement and breath as one motion. Exhale, bring it forward. Inhale, lift up, open that heart up to the sky. Exhale, chest down. Let's hold here a little bit longer now. Keeping the hips square, your shoulders are square, your arms are reaching up to the sky, feeling that nice stretch through the upper body. Take one more deep breath in. And then on your exhalation, slowly you're going to allow the arms to guide you back up and your heart reaching up to the sky. Great. Now from here, we're going to transition to that front foot. Bring that left knee up towards the chest. Roll that ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. And then you're going to step that left foot to about the middle of your mat. Extending the front knee, open up that heart. Grab the opposite elbows behind your back. Hips and shoulders are square. Come back over to halfway. Let's just stay here for a moment. Really think of elongating the spine like you're trying to reach to the front of your mat through the crown of your head or your forehead. Good. Now this might be as far as you go today. Otherwise, see if you can go even lower, maintaining that balance by keeping the arms behind your back. This time, pulling your right hip back and pushing the left hip forward. Again, try to maintain that square position with your hips and your shoulders. With each exhalation, you're allowing your forehead to come as close to that shin or knee as possible. Just keep breathing, just staying with your breath. Allowing yourself to go a little bit deeper with each exhalation. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Now let's slowly release. As you come up, bend that front knee. Coming into our Virabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1, arms up. Good, just find that balance. Inhale, make sure that back heel stays grounded. Exhale, bring that left knee towards your chest. Grab that knee. Just hold here for a moment. Feel free to roll out that ankle again if that feels good. And then pass the knee to your left hand and let's open the knee to the side. Other hand comes onto your hip. Finding that center and grounding through that bottom leg. Keep the core engaged and strong. From here, coming into our tree, so place the foot to the inside of your right inner thigh. Once you found that balance, your arms extend into our tree. And once again, if that is too difficult for you to keep that foot that high, you can always take it down and rest it along the inside of your calf muscle. Good, just find that center, find that focus, that balance, that strength, that power through your legs. Bring your hands to heart, take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, you are slowly going to release your foot all the way back down. Let's take an inhale, reach both arms up to the sky. Exhale, bend your knees, dive it all the way down. Inhale, halfway lengthen, slide those hands on your shins. Exhale, let's take our standing forward fold. This time, see if you can grab your big toes with your 2 fingers and start to take your body even closer towards those thighs. Again, if reaching the toes is not possible for you today, that's totally fine. You can reach the back of your knees if you need to, or even grab your ankles. Wherever you are, just find this stillness. Find this peace within yourself. Inhaling deeply into your nose. And exhaling it all out as you allow yourself to go deeper and deeper into this posture. Feeling that release through the hamstrings, through the calf muscles. Inhale. Now exhale, let go, and slowly come on up to standing, reaching both arms up to the sky. Exhale, come back down onto your knees, bringing that forehead down to the floor as you reach the arms behind you, and then slowly come on up to seated as the arms reach up to the sky. Exhale, one hand to your chest, one to the belly. Inhale, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, and belly. Continuing with our 3-part breath, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, let that air go, chest, ribs, belly. Follow this gentle movement, belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, and belly. You can stay here and continue to do this 3-part breath as long as you like. Or, if you're ready, go ahead and reach both arms up to the sky. And exhale, bring your hands over towards your heart. And just keeping your eyes closed and taking this opportunity right now to thank yourself for your beautiful and gentle practice today. Thank you so much for joining me on the mat. I send you my love, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button to make sure you're staying up to date on all of our new yoga and fitness videos. Thank you again, and we'll see you soon.